problem I guess with the cheap hotels. So how much is it? Like 1460, and it's pretty good. Try to figure out what to do next. 60. Okay, let's go. No problem. Chennai, we have to go to Chennai Park, and there so everybody, we are here at Udapakam railway station. We came out from my host's house. So he actually wanted us to leave at 3 because some other person was coming to his place from Russia. So we had to leave before 30, and moreover at 3 his mate, he was saying that his mate would also come to clean the room and to do the dishes. So we came out, and here we are at Udapakam railway station. So our next destination is Chennai. We have to go to Chennai Park, and there I hope that we will get to see some beaches. Anyways, I'm not sure about that because we don't have any confirmed host right now. We will just go there and we will see what happens next. So we are getting the ticket from here right now. Deepak is getting ticket. We will get the ticket and we will go to the Chennai Park. So see you guys at Chennai Park. So guys, we are here at Chennai Beach Metro railway station. So we don't know where next. Actually, we requested to some host here in this area, but no one has responded. So we are still waiting for a response, and we don't have any actual decision right now where to go and what to do, but we will just walk around for some time and keep our mind fresh so that we can think clearly and try to figure out what to do next. We are just walking around. Come. So we will go to Chennai Beach if it's nearby, and we'll wait for the response of the host, and if they respond then it's fine, otherwise we have to figure out. Maybe we can try hitchhiking to Andhra Pradesh. Hello guys, so we are here at Selvi J. Jayalalita Memorial. I did not know that, but it's written in that plate. So it's really beautiful. See the structures, it's modern. And here also you can see very beautifully designed structures. So actually we were going to the beach, Chennai Beach, but we saw this place and we thought like we should show you guys, and we also wanted to see it. So we came here and it's really beautiful. There's some butter lamps burning, flowers. And doesn't that look like Eiffel Tower in Paris? It does, right? And we will exit from here and we will go to the beach. I think it's walkable. They said it's 2 minutes from this area, so we will just go and along the way shoot this video and see how beautiful they have maintained and developed this place. The structures are beautiful. There are so many people coming here, especially visitors. You can call it a park, I guess, because you can come here for walk and take some good pictures, because the structures and everything is very beautiful, and everything has been maintained well with plants and flowers around. There's a beautiful structure over there too. That's the entrance and exit too. We can go out from there, and there are lots of crows over there. There's a crow on top of the light lamp. So we will go out from here, and I don't know where we would be staying tonight, because no one confirmed to accepted our request. So we have second plan B to try hitchhiking, but I don't know if that works. Anyways, we will try and see what happens. If nothing happens and everything fail, we have to take our room somewhere around here, although our plan was not to take a room. We came here to buy a tent because we want to camp there in the beach tonight. So we have the tent here. How much is it? Like 1,460, and it's pretty good. This tent is for 2 people, so 2 people can easily fit in, but it's not waterproof, it's water repellent. So we need to put another sheet on top of the tent in order to make it waterproof. So I think in this price it's pretty decent, and we are going to buy either this or that one. There's another color also, we can choose between these 2. So from the beach, like Chennai beach, we came around 4 kilometers I guess, and it took nearly half an hour in the public bus. So we are happy finally we reached here, and we are going to buy this, and we will go to the beach and we will pitch the tent over there. Hello everyone, so we are here at Marina Beach. Actually the Marina Beach is inside this market, so here we have the market. So Deepak is there. He went to ask the cops if we are allowed to camp inside the beach area. So some said like we can pitch the tent inside and camp inside, but some said like we cannot stay inside. After 8:30 the police will chase everyone out. So anyways, we are going to ask the police and verify the correct information so that we won't have problems at night. So let's see around. We bought the tent, and there's the tent. We had our dinner, and now we are going around to ask some people if we are allowed to camp inside. So as per the locals said, if they are right, then I think we should find another place to camp. Actually we also wanted to buy some mat, like a yoga mat, but we couldn't find the yoga mat. So guys, we are here at beach station right now, and we couldn't find a proper place to camp, to pitch our tent, and they said like we cannot pitch tent around this area. And moreover, we got one place near the bus stand, but we did not get mat, so we couldn't like just pitch our tent and lay down on the floor. So it was really difficult. So now we booked a hotel nearby. It's 1 kilometer away from here. We came in bus from the Marina Beach till here, and we paid 15 rupees. So from here we need to go to the hotel because there is no bus connecting to the hotel area. So Deepak is asking for auto. So this place looks like this. There is a market here. So we are really tired. We will go there. Let's see how much they are asking. How much? Wait. 70 is too much. From Marina Beach they were saying 80. From Marina Beach they were saying 80 rupees.
Yeah, 70 Ola by my Mola.
Not Ola, auto.
Oh, by the 60 they go.
60.
60 they go. Normal rate 60.
Yeah. 60. Okay, let's go. No 60. What to do now? It's night time. Chalo. Okay guys, we got at 60, so we are going to the hotel and we will take rest now. We are so tired.
Name, work,
Hotel,
Gujarat,
house. I'm from Bhutan. Tour.
We are traveling all over India.
3 months.
3 months.
Yeah. So just 1 kilometer right, bhaiya. So tired, right?
Sorry?
Are you tired?
I am very tired.
थक चुके हो ना?
बहुत ज़्यादा।
बहुत ज़्यादा थक
अभी तो
चुके
चलने
हैं
में भी
हम लोग।
कि नहीं
पैर भी दुख रहा है।
Some message for next for next traveler. So भाई बहुत दिक्कत है भैया यहाँ पे ट्रैवलिंग करना लगता है बहुत आसान है, लेकिन इतना दिक्कत हुआ हमें समझ लग रहा है कि छोड़ छाड़ के सब चले जाए घर वापस आराम से एकदम रहे। कम से कम अब देख रहे हैं 20-20 किलो 20-20 kg का जो सामान है वो लेकर हम लोग चल रहे हैं भैया। और हम लोग आर्मी के ट्रेनिंग देते थे, हम लोग आर्मी का ट्रेनिंग में इतना नहीं, कम से कम खाना तो मिलता है ढंग से वहाँ पे, तो ये दिक्कत है। बट आप अगर ट्रैवलिंग करना चाहते हैं तो समझ सकते हैं कितना दिक्कत होगा। तो हम देख लीजिए, हम लोग वीडियो को लाइक सब्सक्राइब करिए, पता चल रहा है कितना हम लोग क्या करना पड़ रहा है उसको।
So guys, we are going to the hotel and we paid 630 something for 2 people. We wanted to book cheapest room, so we will go to the room and we have not expected much from the hotel. Anyways, we will go there and we will show you the hotel. So here, like, I'm stopping the video because it's too noisy, because there's lots of vehicles flying on the road and so many vehicles like honking and there's too much noise. So we will see you at the hotel. So guys, we are here at the wrong place. The location they had shared with us was wrong. That's the problem, I guess, with the cheap hotels. So anyways, we are walking from here because we met good people there and they told us that we need to go straight from here, and on the third crossing we can get the hotel. So we will ask people there and we will go to the hotel. I think that's the problem, booking cheapest hotel. Anyways, that's how it is now. Like, we cannot change anything because we have already paid the money and booked it. So we are going through this narrow street. This is the street here. Maybe it can be 1 kilometer away from here, but we are not certainly sure. We are tired as hell, but what to do? We have to keep walking. We don't want to take another auto because even if we go in our auto, maybe they will again drop us to long location. So we are just walking and we are going